So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how Redbubble changed my life, and whilst doing that, how it also helped me to kind of help change some of your guys' life as well. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into this video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. Now today the setting's a little bit different because I want to talk about a topic that kind of means a lot to me, and a topic that I hope can help inspire some of you guys as well in regards of your own personal journeys, whether that's business journeys, fitness journeys, mental journey, whatever journey you are on. I thought a nice way to do this would be by talking about my own journey, that being my Redbubble journey and how I got to the point that I am at now. If you are new to the channel and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bells. That way you won't be missing out on any videos. Here on the channel, we've actually helped a lot of people to make their first online sales. So if you're not subscribed, please do take a moment to subscribe. Nevertheless, jumping into this, I want to start off by talking about how I found Redbubble and how I got myself to the situation that I am at now. Right, so to jump straight into it, I received a parking ticket, and this parking ticket built up over time, and then it led to a day where I pretty much had to pay out £400, roughly around that much, which is about $600 on the dot. I had to pay it out in one day. Doing that left me in a position where I didn't really have that much money with Christmas coming up, and I just had a newborn baby. I had to figure out how I was going to make that money back to make sure that my little girl's first Christmas was okay. I remember at the time going on Google, searching up how to make money online, going on YouTube, searching up how to make money online, and I came across a variation of different things. I tried a lot of different things. I think I was on Upwork, I was on Fiverr, I was trying to do all these different jobs online, all these different things. And in one of the videos I watched, someone actually suggested Redbubble. Now, when I tried Redbubble, it was a lot different to all the other things that I tried before. It was very simple. I mean, making a design, uploading it on so many products. For me, it was new, but the sensation it gave me was really good because I felt like I was making something that anyone in the world could buy. Now, at the start, I made roughly 5 to 10 designs, nothing crazy. I left my shop for a week and a half to 2 weeks, and I got my first sale, I think it was after 2 weeks. With this first shop, over time, it kind of built up on the sales, and it was nothing too crazy. It was nothing out of the ordinary till one design all of a sudden hit and started selling like crazy. One thing that kind of put me down about the shop was that designs started getting taken down. And at this point, I didn't know that you had to be careful when it came to copyright and trademark on designs. And yeah, this was an important lesson I learned from that situation, because with that shop, designs got taken down, and then the shop ended up getting taken down when the shop was less than a month old. But with me and how I think, I didn't allow myself to give up, because I really did feel like Redbubble was a big opportunity, and if done right, was something that could open up so many doors. So I created another shop from start, and I started putting designs. I mean, I was going day by day, uploading sometimes 40 designs, but usually I would be between 20 to 30 designs a day. I was ongoing, non-stop. And I noticed that over time, I was able to then build up my designs. And with my new shop, I think I got my first sale after uploading roughly around 110 designs, something along those lines, which is why I always say to you guys, keep putting up designs. You never know when your first sale might come. Just make sure that you're staying on top of obviously things that are performing. Nevertheless, this shop ended up performing. It started getting a lot of sales, and what I did, I looked in the shop to see which designs were doing well, which products were doing well, and then I created other stores from this. My learning process of Redbubble included watching YouTube videos, included Facebook groups. I was in Facebook groups that at one point I was kicked out of, mainly because people that had been on Redbubble for a long period of time were surprised as to how I was doing so well in such a short period of time. That was also a blessing in disguise, because it led to me creating my own Facebook group, which ended up getting to a point where at this moment in time, there's 8,000 group members, which is crazy. I'm really thankful that I got that parking ticket when I received it, because if I didn't get that parking ticket, I never would have found Redbubble and it never would have led me to you guys. That pretty much takes me to my next point, YouTube. YouTube is something that, for those who don't know, I have been doing since 2012. The Money Game is probably my 4th or 5th YouTube channel. And through doing Redbubble, my love for YouTube was kind of reignited. I think I was maybe 5-6 months into Redbubble, and I thought to myself, why not make YouTube videos to help people understand things that I wasn't finding in YouTube videos myself? Because like I said, I started watching videos, but some of these videos didn't show things that I then learned myself. Redbubble led me to creating this channel, and this channel is now currently on 21, nearly 22,000 subscribers. I just want to say I wouldn't be here without you guys watching my videos. My journey has been a hard journey, as I've had a shop taken down, and obviously I've had to overcome that hurdle to create a shop in the hopes that it will do well, which it did. This overall has been a crazy experience, and the best part of it for me has been meeting you guys. My life has changed financially, but my life has also changed mentally, because now I feel like I've got a bit of a purpose. I feel whenever I make videos, I can help you guys, I can inspire you guys, and I can show you guys that pretty much anything is possible. My mindset was always, if I work hard enough, God willing, things will go well. And thankfully enough, they did. So for those watching this video struggling, I just want to say you can do it too. And besides just using myself as an example, I recently came across a post on the Facebook group where someone was saying, since they started watching my videos back in July of 2020, I think it was, within the space of a year, they've made $8,000. It blew my mind that I could give enough value to someone to get them to a point where they can, in a way, change their own life. And if I did it for myself, if some of you guys watching my videos can do it, for those that are struggling, just understand that you can do it too. You just need to be persistent, you need to stay consistent, and you need to work hard. And if you do all of those things, it will pay off. And I also wanted to make this video to show you guys that in life, it's important to have things that kind of bring you down, things that kind of hold you back, because the more you get pushed down, the harder you bounce back up, if that makes sense. I don't know if you've ever heard of the term pressure makes diamonds. But once again, the good wouldn't have been there if it wasn't for the bad. So don't think of the bad as too much of a bad thing. Always see it as an opportunity to grow. Right, guys, so yeah, I feel like I'm going to end the video there. For anyone who may be new to the channel, who wants more information on Redbubble, down in the description, I have a free print on demand starter guide. If you want more advanced information, if you're looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, there's a paid step-by-step guide that's down below. And I also have a lot of links to resources that you can use with Redbubble that will allow you to upload faster, that will allow you to find images you can use, and that will allow you to find trending niches that don't have people spamming and that sort of thing. It's all down in the description. If you made it to this point of the video, please do drop a like and comment down, my life is about to change, and I will respond to as many of you guys as possible. And always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.